Good morning, students. I am your English teacher Irshad. Today I have to teach you a chapter titled Bringing Up Kari. This is a chapter which I have to teach you. This chapter is all about a naughty elephant of 5 years old, and his name is Kari, and also author who is 9 years old boy. So this whole story moves around with these two characters. It is said that when author was 9 years old and Kari was 5 years old, they started to live together, and author was carrying Kari very well. So author used to take Kari in the river, and Kari used to take a bath for a long time. When Kari came out from the river, then Kari enjoyed, and Kari started to shout, started to show his happiness. And author went to forest for the purpose of collecting food materials. Kari also inculcated a habit of having the taste of bananas. So when having the taste of bananas, so when in the house bananas and fruits were kept, Kari used to go to the house and also room, and they used to take bananas and other food material. One day Kari was also caught, and Kari was chided by its master author, and author made Kari understand. Then like a baby, Kari understood everything. It is also said that one day when Kari and author, they both were at the bank of river, Kari saw a boy drawing in the water of the river, and Kari suddenly pushed his master author in the water, and author took the drawing boy. He held the drawing boy. When Kari realized that now the life of both in danger, so Kari saved the life of drawing boy and author both. So in this way, through this very story, it has been said that we people love animals, and animal also love human being. Here, Kari has been given a special type of training, and through this very training, Kari had been aware that how they have to walk, how they have to sit. So for this very purpose, there is a particular word dhat, and this dhat is a command to sit. When dhat word was used, Kari understood that he has to sit, and when mali word was used, Kari understood that he has to walk towards the ahead. So mali word was for command to walk, and this dhat word and mali word, both word Kari learned in 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, this dhat and mali, both command was learned by Kari in 3 weeks. Also, animals and elephant need a master call, need a training related to master call. This master call is for the purpose when the master is in problem, and at that very time, on the basis of getting training, elephant used to try to save the life of his master. So for making learning about the master call, elephant need 5 years, and elephant learned about master call within 5 years, and some elephant also took more than 5 years. Due to master call, for the severe danger, elephant saved the life of his master from the severe danger, and for this very call, a hissing type of sound is made familiar to the animal, and when master create hissing sound near the eyes of elephant understood that his master is in problem, and after that elephant starts to apply his mind, and if master is not getting way in the forest, then on the basis of this hissing sound, Kari or elephant understood, and then after that elephant starts to uproot the trees whichever came in his way, and in this way other animals they become fearful, and master gets its way, and then after that they both safely come out from the forest. So here overall message of this chapter is this, that we must love animals, and if we will love animal, then animal will also love us. We should not create any type of atrocities, any type of rough activity on animals, because we have feelings, animals have also feeling. Only there is a difference that we can speak, we can express ourselves, but animal cannot do the same. So overall, we should love animal and we should have sympathy on the animals. So this is from my side for today. Thank you.